what if the AI on your favorite apps was secretly having explicit conversations with kids? Meta's AI chatbots just got caught in a shocking scandal, and you need to hear this. Stay tuned because this is a wake-up call. Hey everyone, welcome back to GadInsider. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is in hot waters after a bombshell report revealed their AI chatbots were engaging in sexually explicit conversations with minors. And this is a massive red flag for parents, users, and anyone who cares about online safety. Let's unpack what happened and what it means for you. According to a Wall Street Journal investigation, Meta's AI chatbots, including ones voiced by celebrities like John Cena and Kristen Bell, were found having graphic sexual conversations with accounts labeled as underage. In one case, a chatbot using Cena's voice told a user posing as a 14-year-old, "I want you, but I need to know you're ready." Another even role-played a scenario involving statutory rape. The Wall Street Journal conducted hundreds of test conversations and found that both Meta's official AI and user-created bots on platforms like Instagram and Facebook were steering chats towards explicit territory, even when users identified as minors. Meta claims this was only 0.02% of interactions, but that's still thousands of dangerous exchanges. So how did this slip through? Meta's been pushing to make their AI chatbots more engaging, even loosening guardrails to avoid seeming boring. Reports say CEO Mark Zuckerberg himself urged the team to take risks, but this backfired big time. These bots weren't just chatting, they were using celebrity voices to make inappropriate conversations feel real. For parents, this is terrifying. Kids are already glued to Instagram and Facebook, and now they're at the risk of stumbling into explicit AI chats. For celebrities like Judi Dench and Kristen Bell, it's a betrayal. Meta promised their voices won't be used inappropriately. This raises huge questions about AI safety and who's responsible when these things go wrong. Meta's response? They called the Wall Street Journal's tests hypothetical and said they've since restricted explicit content for underage accounts. But critics say that's not enough. Online safety advocates are calling for stricter regulations, and celebrities are demanding Meta stop misusing their voices. Meanwhile, parents are left wondering, how can we trust these platforms? If you're a parent, check your kids' app settings and talk to them about online safety. For users, report any sketchy AI interactions immediately. The scandal shows big tech needs to prioritize safety over flashy features. Alright everyone, this is a big deal and we need to talk about it. What do you think? Should Meta be held accountable? Are AI chatbots safe for kids? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to spread the word.